Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to review a product that I received. It's the POOLHACKER Pool Light, and it's solar powered. Now this was not sent to me. It was actually when I bought it on Amazon. It was about $90. It's not cheap, but this is meant to somehow replace your in-pool light or whatever lighting you might have for your pool. As some people might know, pool lights in pools don't last forever, and now they're insanely expensive to replace. So this option came out, and I thought I would take a look at it. I don't necessarily need it. It's just an extra light, but I have enjoyed it so far. And I think this is a good option for a lot of people that have no light, the light doesn't work, or you want to add a little bit extra light. They also make these for indoor pools, above ground pools. This one happens to be specifically for the in-ground pool. So let's go to the favorite part of the episode, and that's the...
With the box! What was in the box? It's in the box! It's in the fucking box!
Okay, we've come to what's in the box. Poolside Light by POOLHACKER. Nice packaging. Embrace the summer brilliance. Is that what this is? Yes, anyway. So, ultra bright 6800 lux, 10 colors, 4 modes, auto light sensor, timer settings, and 10 plus hours of battery life. And this is for in-ground pools. So let's get to it. Ah, my finger. Sorry, it's an old habit. Alright, so what's in the box? We get our instruction manual, foam. Ooh, look, nicely wrapped, not what I was expecting. This is the solar array. Oh, another remote control, because we don't have enough of these in our lives. And this must be the lighting unit that clicks onto the solar base. There's your power button. And what does that say? Do not submerge. Keep the charging pins dry before assembly. Okay, good idea. So basically this will click in like that. But first I'm going to read the instructions. Oh, what else do we get here? Little bottle of lube. No, it's adhesive sealant. Probably have to put this on somewhere. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to read the instructions, put it together, charge it, and we'll get back to you as soon as that's done. We'll see you in a bit.
Several days later.
So I've already had the opportunity to play around with this and have it in different portions of my pool. And I just wanted to quickly show you what it is. Basically you have your light unit here, and this is where the battery is. You have your two prongs here, which you obviously don't want to get wet. They say not to submerge this thing or not to, let it go in the pool. So it is okay for if it rains on it. Anyway, you just snap it into place like that. And if you can remove it, there's a tab here. And one here, you just press that to release. It was a lot easier a minute ago. Anyway, you have your on and your off. This also cycles through your various colors and modes. You can do solid lights, flashing strobe, smooth, breathe, those types of things, which are really cool. I have it just on the basic standard 4-hour operating time, so once it gets dark out, it stays on for 4 hours. You can change that, but I believe every time you do restart it, it goes back to the default of only 4 hours. Now that tube that came with it was not lube, it's glue or an adhesive, because you do want to probably mount this or attach it to your deck. That way it'll stay firm alongside your pool. If you have any type of pool equipment that floats by or whatever, it could run the risk of knocking this off into the water. Also wind or just splashing around could do that. And then if you need to move it to another place to charge it, you can do that while this portion stays down. It does have 2 holes in it so that if you wish to mount it to a wood deck, if that's what you so have, then that will work also. I have not mounted it yet because I have not decided where exactly I want to put it. And truth be told is I want to get another one, and so I can have them light up my steps over at this end, because it does look really cool when you just have like a subtle light instead of the entire pool light. Let's go to our night time video, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, final thoughts on the POOLHACKER Pool Light. The one variable I don't know is how long what's the longevity going to be on this unit. If you take care of it, it should work a long period of time, at least we would hope. I don't know yet. I haven't used it for a full summer or season. Obviously, it does require sun to operate. If you have a small to medium sized pool, one probably might do you okay. If you have anything bigger than a medium to large sized pool, you're probably going to want multiple units of these. And remember, that does add up at $90-something. Currently, I just looked it up. These are not available, so I was not able to get my second one, which stinks, but I was quite gutted about that. But that's just the way it goes sometimes. So just keep an eye out. Hopefully, it'll pop back up there. But as far as like your above ground pools, they have those available right now. So anyway, the colors are nice. The camera makes it look a little brighter than what it really is in actuality, but it's still enough that it lights up the bottom of your pool. And if you have a pool that has a lighter finish to it, like mine does, then it's going to reflect a lot better. If you have like a Pebble Tech pool or a darker finish on your pool, it's not going to be as reflective or as bright, and that's just one thing to take into consideration. Would I recommend this for you if you didn't have a pool light, or if you don't want to spend $1,000 or $1,500 to repair your pool light? This I would definitely recommend. It's a lot cheaper. It works on its own. You don't have to worry about leaving it on or whatnot. So it's nice. It feels nicely made. But like I say, time will tell to see how it really works. So if you have seen this before or have used one of these, please leave a comment in the description below or in the comment section and let me know what your experience has been like. Other than that, I want to thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And well, enough said. Bye.